Garda Síochána notes the conviction and sentence imposed by the Special Criminal Court today on 8 persons for the international trafficking of cocaine, which occurred in September 2023. This shipment of cocaine was interdicted on the 26th of September 2023 with an intervention by the Joint Task Force, resulting in the seizure of 2.2 tonnes of cocaine with a street value of €157 million. This was and remains the largest seizure of controlled drugs in the history of the state. I want to thank the members of the Joint Task Force, which includes An Garda Síochána, the Revenue Customs Service and the Naval Service, supported by other arms of the Irish Defence Forces, including the Army Ranger Wing and Air Corps. I want to acknowledge the State Solicitor's Office and the prosecution team for their valuable role. I want to thank the work of my colleagues in the investigation team at the Garda National Drugs and Organised Crime Bureau, who brought this case to a successful prosecution before the Special Criminal Court. This investigation was supported at all stages by our international partners from the Maritime Analysis Operations Centre Narcotics, MAOC-N, Interpol, and An Garda Síochána's own network of liaison officers and contacts in the Americas, Europe and the Middle East. The sentences imposed today provide a clear message to persons involved in international drug trafficking that Ireland is not a soft target for transnational organised criminal networks. This and other drugs interdictions over recent years clearly demonstrate that all agencies of the state, supported by our international partners, will work together to successfully disrupt and dismantle criminal networks engaged in drug trafficking, thereby reducing harm to our communities. To those involved in drug trafficking, the message is clear that the full force of the Irish state, supported by our international partners, is against you. The reality facing you is security interdictions, special investigations, the Special Criminal Court, lengthy sentences and asset seizure. Transnational organised crime gangs cause misery to communities not only in Ireland but throughout the world. Tackling these gangs not only makes Ireland safer but all the other countries that they operate in as well.